How to connect Eero to Starlink. Running an Eero mesh network straight into a standard Starlink setup creates a critical double NAT conflict that destroys your wireless speeds and causes constant device disconnects. To unlock full throughput, you have to bypass the Starlink routing engine entirely and hand our network management over to your Eero gateway. So today we are bringing the hardware and locking in the optimal configuration settings. Okay, so let's establish the connection. If you are deploying on a Starlink Gen 2 system, you must plug the official Starlink Ethernet cable directly into the base of your router first. For Gen 3 hardware, simply pop the rubber seal on the rear panel to expose the native RJ45 ports. From there, run a high-quality Cat6 Ethernet cable from your Starlink Ethernet port straight into the back of your primary Eero gateway node's internet input port. And then with the hardware wired up, open the Starlink application and then tap straight into the settings, scroll down to the bottom and select Advanced. Locate the bypass Starlink router toggle switch. Flip that option on and confirm the pop-up warning. And your Starlink router's built-in Wi-Fi radio will shut off completely and the system will reboot, sending the raw internet pipeline directly into your Eero system. And if you ever need to reverse this process and restore your original Starlink Wi-Fi network, simply perform a hardware factory reset on the Starlink router by power cycling it 6 times in rapid succession. That's it, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, like and subscribe.